In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to full screen a window in DaVinci Resolve if you want a cleaner, less distracting view. While you're editing, grading, or reviewing your work, using full screen mode can be a really helpful feature. It gives you more room to focus on the part of the interface you're working in, which can make your workflow feel more organized and a lot more comfortable, especially on smaller monitors. To do this, start by going to the top of DaVinci Resolve and look for the Workspace menu. This is where Resolve keeps a number of layout and viewing options, so if you ever need to adjust how the interface appears, this is a good place to remember. Once you click Workspace, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, find the option called Full Screen Window and click it. As soon as you select it, the current DaVinci Resolve window will switch into full screen mode. And that's all you need to do. This is a very simple feature, but it can make a big difference when you want to concentrate on your edit without seeing extra desktop clutter or other open applications in the background. It's especially useful when you're reviewing details carefully, presenting your screen to someone else, or just trying to maximize the visible workspace. If you ever want to return to your normal view later, you can usually go back through the same menu and toggle the setting off, depending on your system and how Resolve is behaving. So if the interface suddenly looks different after enabling it, that's completely expected. One small tip while using this feature is to make sure you're already in the part of the project you want to work on before switching to full screen. That way, once the window expands, you can stay focused and avoid extra clicking around. So again, the process is simple. Go to the top menu, click Workspace, then choose Full Screen Window. After that, DaVinci Resolve will display the window in full screen. If this is something you've been trying to figure out, now you know exactly where to find it and how quickly it can be turned on.